Okay, this is the distributive property and word problem homework. If we look really quick at number 1, you're just using that distributive property to take the 2 and multiply it to everything inside the parentheses. That should be easy for you. Let's take a look at one of the word problems. So number 2 says, your friend does 25 push-ups and 60 sit-ups each night. For n nights, the expression n times the quantity 25 plus 60 represents the total number of push-ups and sit-ups. Use the distributive property to write an equivalent expression that also shows the total number of push-ups and sit-ups for n nights. Okay, so they give us that expression n times the quantity 25 plus 60. To make an equivalent expression, we have to take that variable n and multiply it times everything inside the parentheses. So first, I'm going to do n times 25, which is 25n. Make sure you put the number as the coefficient in front of the variable. I'm going to bring over the operation, and then n times 60 is 60n. So they didn't give us a specific number of nights, so we can't put a number in and solve. So we're going to leave our answer as just 2 expressions. So let's go down to number 4. Number 4 says a family is going on vacation for 4 days. A rental car is $66 per day. Make sure you're text tagging and marking important things in the word problems. And a hotel room is V dollars. So they don't give us a specific amount. The total cost of the car in the hotel room is the number of days multiplied by the sum of the daily cost of the car and the daily cost of the hotel room. Use the distributive property to write 2 equivalent expressions for the total cost of the vacation for 4 days. So we know we're going for 4 days, so that they said it's the number of days multiplied by the sum of the cost of the hotel room and the rental car. So I'm going to say it's 4 times the quantity, $66 per day for the car, plus V dollars for the hotel room, because they didn't give us a specific amount. So that's my first expression. To make an equivalent expression, you have to use the distributive property, multiply 4 by 66, which I don't know what that is, so I'm going to stack it on the side. 6 times 4 is 24, carry the 2. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 is 26. So I get 264. I'm going to bring over my operation sign, and then I'm going to do 4 times V, which is 4V. Those are 2 equivalent expressions. Make sure that when you're doing number 5, you take a look, you multiply that 7 times every term inside the parentheses. It's a little bit different this time because there's 3 terms in there. Hope this helps.